Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to take backup in WordPress. For that, in the WordPress dashboard, in the sidebar, we need to go to plugins, then click on add new plugin. Now, in the search bar, we need to type updraft. Here you can see the plugin. Now click on install now. Now see our plugin has been installed. Now click on activate. Our plugin has been activated. Now we need to go to plugin settings. Here you can see the plugin settings. Here is the backup now button. Click here. Check that the checkbox are selected. Then click on backup now. Here you can see our backup has been created. Click on finish. Now you can see the backup has been stored here and you can download the backup in your local system also.